If you're a multifamily regional manager, you are in the middle. You live in the middle. You're the wedge between what happens on site and that corporate leadership, right? You're putting out the fires, you're coaching your property managers, you're reviewing those budgets, you're in the details, you're in the numbers, and you're also answering all those investor questions. Right? Sometimes the investors have real-time visibility into the numbers even before you do. And while you're maintaining all that day-to-day stuff, you're also responsible for something much bigger. That's attracting the right people and building those teams, developing those leaders, and getting performance through others at the on-site level, right? And you don't have unlimited time to do this. And you don't need another conference full of theory. You need clarity and you need leverage. You need perspective beyond that fire that you're putting out today. Now, I'm Patrick Antrim. I'm the chairman of the Multifamily Innovation Council. And I want to personally invite you to the Multifamily Innovation Technology and AI Summit. Now, I want to do this because regional managers are the future executives of this industry. You're the ones learning how these deals translate into operations, how the capital decisions affect on-site performance, and how this technology actually lands with your teams. Now, how your leadership and your team's leadership show up, you get a perspective of that in real time. Now, this summit gives you access to conversations that maybe you haven't had the opportunity to sit in. You're out there between your car, running between property to property. There are things that are happening that would be valuable for you to know. And that is capital strategy, right? Enterprise level decision making. So thinking more broadly about the business. Technology adoption at scale, getting this change management implemented into the business at small regions or even national portfolios. Leading transformation inside a company that is expanding and growing, right? You're turning around properties. So it's not that you want to be in this room just so you can know more. We want you to think bigger. You have an opportunity here that's right in front of you. So we want to do this because we want you to understand the business that works beyond the current scope of what you're working on today. So then when you're leading, you can do that with confidence, knowing that when the ownership has those hard, tough questions, you're ready for those conversations. So you can build teams that don't just react to the business, but they perform and they predict how work can happen. This is the greatest time in our industry for you as a regional manager to invest in yourself. Now, it was one of my most favorite positions when I was working through the ranks of multifamily. And to expand your perspective and to sharpen your leadership skills and position yourself as that leader that gets called up to that next role, that's why you want to be in that room, right? We want to connect you with other senior leaders, other operators that have gone before you, mentors, and even decision makers. You're going to be able to participate in really meaningful roundtables. And when I say roundtables, we're putting CFOs and VPs and HR and marketing and operations and facilities in the room together to have different conversations at this executive level. You're going to hear these conversations about performance, technology, but most importantly, leadership. And you're going to walk away with a very clear path for how your career and your impact can go to that next level. Now, if you're serious about becoming that kind of leader who can run a portfolio, influence capital decisions, and build great teams, then this summit is for you. Join us at the Multifamily Innovation, Technology, and AI Summit. This is where the next generation of multifamily executives level it up. Get registered today. I will see you there.